How to change cover image in board view on ClickUp. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the cover image in board view of ClickUp. So let me first tell you about what ClickUp is. ClickUp is actually an application software where you can integrate or collaborate with your team members if you're working in a firm and if you need to complete a set of tasks and it's a collaborative work, like you have other employees or your colleagues who are working for the same task or the same project, like a project can consist of a couple of tasks. Then ClickUp is the best place to work because it integrates all your work, all your documents together that you can work on. So this is the basic know-how of ClickUp. Now let me tell you that this is the main homepage. Like when you log into ClickUp through here, you'll reach this homepage. And here on this homepage, what you can do is you can see your recent tab, your agenda tab, my work, and assigned to me. If any work is assigned to you, it will show up right here. So now in order to change the cover image, what you actually need to do, you need to open up a project and then you need to open up a task. Now, for example, this is the task that I'm working on and the status is to do. And we need to add a description. We need to fulfill all these things before we can start our task. But now I'm just trying to show you what you can do. So you can add custom fields as well, subtask, checklist. Now here what you need to do is you need to click here and then you need to click here. Use as cover image. So when you click it, the cover image will be created successfully. Here you go. You can reposition it. Wait a second. You can reposition it. Here you go. Here you go. And here you go. I have successfully repositioned it and I'll save the position. Oh, wait a second. We need to just put it a bit down right here. And here you go. Wait just a little bit more and we are good with that. So that's how we change the cover image. Now you can see that the cover image is shown right here. Uh, we can see it right here. Here you go. This is the cover image and that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.